This is Justin AMZN on Thursday, July 22nd, 2021. Take a look at the 5-minute here. We had a really nice continuation higher. So yesterday was an inside candle, and we've had 3 bullish candles in a row, and then today just totally broke out. Today really kind of looks like something that happened not that long ago. So today's candle, after like 3 candles that were just kind of moving up a little bit, kind of looks like that candle right there. 3 candles kind of moving up. Didn't have the inside day candle the previous day, but really bouncing nicely off the 21. We've done that before. That happened over here. And this was starting this rally that went on for like another week. So we could see this kind of thing happen, continuing up into earnings next Friday or next Thursday after close, so a week from now. And it could, I mean, it could totally do that. So we had a lot of selling, and this seemed miserable to sit through all this and to not be buying, and then to see a great fill of the gap and a nice hammer, and then another hammer, and a breakout like this today. I mean, this is great. This is a really nice, strong bullish trend. It's just continuing now. So zooming back into the 5-minute, we stayed above the 5 exponential for a while, and it's probably going to break down and do something else. Well, it did on this candle with high volume right here, pulled into the 21, and some people were buying right there looking for it to get going, and then it did one of these double bottoms. So pulled down, went back up, broke down, went back up, came back down, and that shape, can I move that? Wait, hang on, select. That's the double bottom shape right there. That's it. Here is the, come on, why can't I draw now? Here is the neckline. If I could draw straight. Neckline right there. And it's supposed to bounce. And it did. So if I move that back, can I select all this? I don't know if I can select all this. It's not letting me select everything. Okay, move that back, and then we'll move that back, and that kind of lines up with the 21. That's kind of cool. And then we'll move this back, and then we'll stretch it out because it didn't just go straight up, but it did that. Hey, that's pretty good drawing. I like that. So I had a little wave in there. That's fine. It's a double bottom. It made a double bottom midday, right around 11 o'clock. Great place for it to bounce. You had some more double bottoms happening on the calls. So this is the 3650 call expiring this Friday. Here's your double bottom shape, and that continued on up. Even had some more retest over here, which kind of came back to like this neckline. It had a really nice hammer right here. This candle right at 1120. Great hammer. Like you could just buy off of that. If that is your plan to just buy a hammer, that's a great hammer at a place that it looks like it's going to break down, but like, look at how strong this is. Look at how strong this move is. It's right above the cyan line, which you may not have that on your chart, but if you want it, here's the levels. So I've had this on here since February, and occasionally we'll kind of come back into that level. So pause the video and rewind and pause the video if you want those numbers again. So on the call, we bounced, and great hammer there. Got another chance to buy that afterwards, after the hammer. So if you missed the hammer, it went up, came back down to 7. Buying at 7 by 6 was a great setup. And then that ran up. What day is this? Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. From 7, we're looking for 4-hour target. So that's 11. So from 7 to 11, yep, it just ran. That was a great setup. And then on the put, it kind of just kept breaking down. Went sideways a little bit here. This is the 3600 put. You've got a double top going on here, and then the retest. So it's flipped. It's the other way around because we're looking at a put now. So that is this shape. And then that went lower. So that's got the neckline here as well. Let me see if I can select all that now. Oh, okay. It's going to do it in pieces. There you go, like that. So it's a double top on a put, just like it's a double bottom on the call and on the 5-minute. And that's how you could have played today. So we'll see if we can just continue to rally. But it worked pretty well today to be buying around the 21 exponential. I'm sure you could check some different time frames and see if something worked better. I like looking at 5. So that's why you're here, because you like listening to me looking at the 5, right? Hope this helps. This is just AMZN. Thanks.